right now we're at Santa Monica Pier area. Well, the pier is down there. Right now we just left my sister's place and we're gonna head to San Jose to my other sister's place. Right now, the windshield's like very spotty and dirty, so we can't really get any clean shots while we're riding or driving. So, do what we can to clean this up. As you guys can see, there's a nice sunset going on. This is what I picture Cali, like this, but nothing like that LA stuff. Let's do a quick run around the car before it gets too dark. But yeah, look at that. So we're gonna do something with the Grom later on the road, which I think is gonna be fun. But dude, throttle guys, you're watching, you guys killed it. To be honest though, a certain lighting, this color actually does kind of look pink. But another lighting, it looks really, really red. So it's kind of like a color shift route, I was realizing. And some portions it kind of looks orange too. So it all depends on the lighting. Yeah, this is great. So right now we're about to drive on the 1 all the way. So basically drive the Pacific Coast Highway. Never done it before. First time me and Jeremy are doing it. And Jeremy's gonna go to San Francisco for the first time. So yeah, let's get going before the sun sets too much. Wait, what?
It says dog beach, but it says no dogs.
We took a pit stop right here because we thought the rocks and everything was very cool. And some surfers just said that you might be able to see a shark. I don't know if they're just messing with us or not, but yeah, well, that's a person. Yeah. But you see all the fog rolling in. Looks very nice. As a beginner, this is probably still too big for us though. Like, I think from here, it doesn't look that big, but it's probably...
I'm not scared.
Yeah.
Or you just start over here and like try to surf that way.
Yeah, and that's probably what they do, they ride it. If you guys can tell, we're complete noobs about this. We're probably saying the most random and wrong things.
Probably like completely wrong.
Yeah, but I'm okay with that. I'll start somewhere, just like mountain biking. Now I say we're pretty decent. Woo!
That looks fun.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. What day is today? Tuesday, Wednesday? It's Tuesday? I feel like today's Wednesday. It's Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday the 19th, to my best of my knowledge. Jeremy and I, we're just past Santa Barbara, just a little bit. We're off the coast right now. We took a nap at a en route parking spot, which is really right off the water. It's around 6 o'clock right now. We wanted to see the sunrise, but my sister Ray told me that there's usually pretty heavy fog in the morning, and she's 100% correct. So instead of waiting around for some good scenery, we're just gonna head up the coast, the Pacific Highway, make our way to Big Sur, check that out, Pismo Beach. Oh, Pismo Beach first, then Big Sur, and then finally San Jose. You can check out our view. Oh, this is the inside of our tent. So this is a Rifnas Condor, just a regular size. It's definitely big enough for 2 people. I usually have 2 people in here with my 95-pound dog, so it does the job. Check out our view. Oh, yeah. There we go. That is our view. So it's not too bad. You definitely hear all the cars driving by though, but it ends up becoming white noise. Can't complain about this spot because it's free. So, I'm gonna start loading everything up, and then we'll be on our way once again. Not bad, 68. Alright. Oh no, 13.65 miles per gallon. We were getting 14.8 in basically LA. But we are in the mountains now, and elevation changes and everything, and I'm just making excuses because I really don't know. So let's just keep going. So we arrived to the overpriced but good coffee. But from what I can see, it looks normal price. The House Cafe is $2.45 for the small, $3.05 for the large. Hello. You already know what he wants. Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect, thank you.
Have a good one.
Appreciate
it.
Do you have an owner's manual?
Huh?
Do you have an owner's manual?
Oh, I might check it out. Alright, well, since the throttle team plays my battery and everything I reset it, so the compass is not engaged. So apparently, we're supposed to drive the car around in circles at 5 miles an hour, like 6 times. So we're gonna let Jeremy do that right now. Got the Cali lean going on. Yeah, the bag needs to be raised up. And honestly, you probably should raise it up for gas mileage wise. Looking good though, looking good. Yeah, kind of wish I had something to adjust the suspension. I'll try to figure out some other place. So. Oh, you're good. All right, stop for a second so I can take this off for you.
What is this, a lift 312?
Oh, it's my weightlifting clothing company, so I try.
All right,
Well,
thank you, Peter.
Thank you so much.
No problem. All right, bye guys.
Bye.
You too. That was fun. Well, Christine and Christine's dad, hopefully you guys don't get stuck in sand again. Other than that, we're gonna keep on trucking on through. But it was nice meeting you guys, and don't be strangers. That's nice, bro. Oh, appreciate it, man. I'm happy to know that this works just fine. I was actually kind of scared as when we were pulling the car back that the bracket was actually gonna rip off, because I believe Mickey said he welded the bracket because the winch is actually not supposed to be on this bumper. So if you want to come over here, the thing was welded onto here. So yeah, it's not really supposed to be on there, but seemed like it worked just fine. So. Also, we're getting a lot of people loving this car, a lot of eyeballs. I think it's the red. So, all right, let's go. thing about a road trip when you don't have anything planned is that it takes you forever to get anywhere. And now here we are. I don't know where we are, but here we are. I kind of want to be a hood rat, take this off, and go. How much in trouble do you think we get? I'm gonna do a mini hike. I just thought over there it looked very, very cool. So, there's no Charlies allowed here. See? No Charlies allowed. Didn't say anything about no Groms. Not sure you can see, but that's a pretty far drop down. I think that's like one of the cool things about traveling is that millions of people have probably done the exact same thing you've done. Same route. Maybe you've done it a little bit different, but overall it's basically the same. Someone probably sat right there. I fell off. Someone probably went all the way down there, climbed on that rock, chilled there. I mean, we can obviously see that someone made like a little teepee fort over there, so someone had a good time over there. Now you have your own story now. Now you're part of the millions. Who knows, maybe we're just hundreds of thousands that want to this spot. And I'm sure that we've done some spots where we're only one of the few that ever do it too. Nice little pit stop, very nice. $7.59. Let's look the next place for gas though.
It's probably hard to get fuel. Do you have signals?
Okay, we just got to the big area. I checked out this little small area. I think Jeremy went inside of here. Ooh. So, find anything?
No.
I found some beer.
Besides ice cream.
There's a coffee shop over there. Oh, I guess there's a trail and everything over there. Oh. So this is cool. This is Ragged Point, I believe it said, in Big Sur. There's a walking trail down there. I think the view up here is pretty good. We usually do trail hiking and everything where we hike 10, 20 miles and everything, so. But I really don't feel like hiking today. And honestly, this view is amazing, so. All right, I'm having too much fun driving on the coast by myself. So I'm gonna let Jeremy ride the Grom. took a video of the bridge. I put this camera here. I just drove 150 miles with this camera right here. This $500 camera. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, right now I am gonna lock up the Grom so that no one steals it.
Hello.
Hello.
Show your hair so
Oh.
we can be
No.
twinnies.
I'll do it when I'm washed. It was a long journey, but I finally made it to my other sister's place.
Yeah, Sophie.
Yay. Welcome to San Jose.